Howdy ho, this is Chase and Mike, task C2. Alright, so here we have power and ground. Go to power and ground, just like here, there. And then we have the
infrared LED.
Well, this is the infrared transistor, which is plugged into, it's hard to see, but it's plugged into power right here. And it's also plugged into, it's so hard to see, this resistor there. And then this is the infrared LED, which is plugged into power right here. And then that resistor there, which is the 100 ohm, and that one's the 10K ohm. And then both of those are also connected to ground. And then we have the potentiometer, which
that changes the resistance, which changes the distance between how high the light turns on and off. So right here, I can turn it off, raise my hand, and it goes off, and I raise my hand, it goes on. And then by turning this dial here, we can change the distance that it turns off. So we have it off there, which just turns off when I get closer and closer.
Right.
So you can just turn that dial and then I'll make that change.
And that's connected to power right here, ground right here with the resistor. And so then that potentiometer connects over to port 3 here, which is the one input positive, and then it actually goes to the second input, so the second port, and this right here comes from the infrared transistor, and this goes, what is this? This is the voltage, which is plugged into volts.
I can just copy this.
And yeah, and then we have it plugged into ground here, and the output goes to the 220 ohm resistor, which plugs into the LED, and the LED is also connected to power, and that's how it works.
All right, so you hold the phone.
Yeah.
So now we just have to give a little demonstration of the voltage across the potentiometer. That is a pen in my hand. The potentiometer. So we're gonna go from the middle prong here, and we will go to the ground, which gives us a reading of about 1.1 millivolts. And then we go from the phototransmitter here, and we have to bring that back to ground here, and that gives us about 4 volts of power, which shows the voltage change, and that's on the low voltage. And, oh, wrong way. And if we turn it up to the high resistance, do the same thing. Gives us about the same for the input, and then for the output, it's going to be a bit different. It's going to give us a lot lower, or a lot higher of a number. So there it is. C2.
Thank you.